What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, it's nice and sunny out here in Michigan today, and we are here at Motorcity Harley-Davidson in Farmington Hills, Michigan. And what we're doing today is we're picking up my brand new 2024 Road Glide Standard. I'm gonna bring you guys inside. I'm gonna show you guys what color Road Glide I went with today. Alright guys, so just walked in here to Motorcity Harley-Davidson in Farmington Hills, Michigan, and I must say, as you saw in the video, they have so much inventory here, guys. I've never been to a dealership that have had this many bikes on the showroom floor, guys. Their floor plan here is huge. I don't know how else to explain it, but if you guys are in the market for a new Harley, make sure you guys go check them out. They have any color you want, of any style bike you want. Road Glide, Street Glide, Softail, Limited, full touring bikes. I mean, you name it, they have it. Make sure you guys hit up Nick. I'll put his card up here on the screen and also link all the information to Motorcity Harley-Davidson in the description of this video. Make sure you guys go check them out. Very cool dealership, massive. This dealership is huge, guys. I've never been to a dealership this big in Michigan, and they definitely are very friendly, here to help you guys and give you the best deal. So make sure you guys go check them out. Motorcity Harley-Davidson in Farmington Hills, Michigan. All right, guys, here she is. My all-new 2024 Road Glide Standard in Billiard Gray. See the sold tag on there. I cannot wait to get this thing outside, show you guys what the color looks like in the sunlight, and take this thing for its first ride, its maiden voyage. About 30 miles home. Unfortunately, I wore my half helmet today, so I don't have my full face with the camera set up on it, but I will be doing tons of vlogs on this bike and giving you guys feedback on how the new 2024 Road Glide Standards ride and if they're worth the money and worth the price tag. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot of content coming for this bike. I'll get into that later in the video, but yeah, I have a lot of things planned for this bike. This is gonna be a project bike for the channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned. All right guys, so I just got the bike outside here. Check out this color in the sunlight. I absolutely love it. It was between this or that white Onyx Pearl, and I'm definitely glad I switched it up and went with the Billiard Gray, because I've always liked this color on like Mercedes-Benz, Ford F-150s. It's just such a cool color. I absolutely dig it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the new Billiard Gray 2024 Road Glide. coming to the channel, guys. I cannot wait to get this thing home. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan. It's like 90 degrees out, super hot. Like I said earlier in the video, I don't have my full face helmet today. I just have my half helmet, so I won't be doing any riding videos on the way home, but we've got a lot of videos coming to the channel on this bike, guys. I'm working with a lot of different suppliers, a lot of different vendors, a lot of different companies that are creating new parts for the new 2024 models. Windshields, exhaust, engine components, performance mods, audio, stereo. I'm gonna do a whole build series on this bike for you guys, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun. I'll get into why I bought this bike later in the video once I get home in the garage and explain to you guys why I bought this bike. But with all that being said, I'm gonna hop on the bike, head home, and I'll pick the camera back up once I get in the garage. All right, guys, so I just got the bike home, and I gotta say, this thing here is a bad dude. For the money that these new 2024 Road Glide standards cost, you cannot beat it. I can't tell you guys how much I love riding this bike. I still have my performance bagger here, the 2019 Road Glide that I just did. You guys been following the channel for a while, you know that this is a 130 cubic inch bike, makes 174 horsepower, and it rips. It's a fast bike, it's my performance bagger, and it's a great bike. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'll probably never get rid of it. It's a staple to my channel. I have a lot of money invested in it, and it's just a cool bike, and I think I'll always keep it. But I thought it was time to build something new on the channel, so that's why I went ahead and picked up a 2024 Road Glide Standard in the billiard gray. I absolutely love this color. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm usually a white and black type guy. Obviously my 2019 Road Glide was all black, a black on black special that obviously I added some graphics and a lot of gold accents to the bike to make it look like this. But anyway, I wanted to switch it up and do something different with the new Road Glide, and that's why I chose billiard gray for the color. I was going to do the white onyx pearl, but I ride with like 4 different guys that have that exact bike, and I just wanted to be a little bit different. This was my second favorite color for 2024, and I absolutely love it. I'll do a full review on this bike for you guys in the next video, but I must say this has been the best all-around bone stock Harley I've ever ridden. When I rode my 2019 home from the dealer, I could not wait to get it in the garage and tear all the stock parts off it and modify it. It was that miserable to ride bone stock. However, this new 2024 model, the way Harley designed this bike, it is so nimble, light, comfortable. The seat is amazing. I absolutely love the stock seat on this bike. It's so comfortable. It's got a cool gray stitching to it, matches the gray paint. The rear seat is very comfortable for a passenger, and the handlebars, normally you always have to change handlebars on a stock Harley because the stock bars are just uncomfortable, like wheelbarrow bars. These bars are basically like mini apes, like from the factory. And I must say, they are so comfortable, and the rider position is so ergonomic that it's just a really comfortable bike from the factory. Like, your average guy is gonna buy a new Road Glide and not have to do anything to it. Like, it's that good, guys. Obviously, it sounds like a Honda. It's very quiet. It needs a pipe. It needs a little bit more oomph to it as far as sound goes. But as far as performance goes, for this being a bone stock bike with a 117 cubic inch motor in it, this thing freaking rips, guys. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. You guys have to go to your local dealer and test ride one if you have not already. The new 2024 models with the new fairing and the whole new redesign, it is absolutely amazing, guys. For the price point of these motorcycles, you get a lot of bike for the money. Like I said, I will touch more on that in my next video. I will be doing a lot of videos on this bike. I bought this bike to bring to the channel for a project build, to do a build series on the new 2024 model. We're gonna do a lot of different things to this bike as we did to this bike. I already have a performance bagger, so I'm not gonna make this a performance bagger. This is gonna be more of a touring bike, a bike I can hop on, throw 93 pump gas in it, and ride it up north, ride it down south, go on trips with. I'm obviously gonna do some performance mods to it, but it'll never be to this level. I mean, to make 174 horse out of a Harley, as you guys know, it takes a lot of work, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, and it's hard on parts, hard on equipment. Now, some of you guys are thinking, oh, he hurt this bike that hasn't been on the channel in a while. Nope, this bike's perfectly fine. It's running great. It's very fast. It's very fun. But I thought it was time to introduce a new bike, new technology, with new parts to the channel so that I can keep you guys up to date on what's all coming out from all these different vendors and all these different suppliers. And I am working with a few different manufacturers right now on reviewing parts on the new bike. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I have a lot of content coming to the channel. regarding the new 2024 Rogue Glide. Some of you may have noticed, but I've already pulled the front reflectors off the forks. I did that as soon as I got home. I mounted my phone mount to the center console here. This here was off Amazon, and then I mounted it to a GoPro mount, so it's literally removable. Just a little GoPro attachment there on the center console, and then boom, locked in, and it ain't going nowhere. Like I said, I'll do a full review on the bike and show you guys all the different changes that Harley made for 2024 on these new bikes. I also added the docking caps. I added the seat screw back here, the thumb screw instead of it being a Torx bit. And there's a lot more things I have coming to the new 2024 Rogue Glide. But that's going to do it for today's video, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!